So question, what y'all think the consequences should be for the JFF, Coach Steve McLaren, and his coaching staff if this Jamaica Reggae Boys team fail from here to qualify for this World Cup? What should the consequences be? If we touch this opportunity, what should our reaction be? It is literally unbelievable that this all-Caribbean affair with 3 teams that are all ranked lower than Jamaica, people should be fired, people should resign, people should walk away. And it would not just be the embarrassment, but the loss of millions of US dollars from a World Cup appearance that would be unthinkable. I mean, missing out on this World Cup would be akin to a man buy a lotto ticket and him number them play. And in the excitement and the celebration, him dash for the ticket. Me win, me rich. What me ticket?